Hello, welcome to this outlook for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to start off in the weekly time frames and just break it down. So looking at Bitcoin from a weekly standpoint, we do have a major level of support here, support and resistance just between 42k and 45k. So it's just a general area that seems to be struggling. You can see the price action here. We've tried to get up twice, maybe 3 times, and it's been rejected quite fast. So if you are looking for bullishness on Bitcoin, I would wait for a weekly close above this level and then look for some buying opportunities. It just doesn't make sense to try and buy straight into that higher time frame resistance. So I would prefer shorts at the moment, but as you know, I'll just go with what prices tell me at the time. These lows, if we do get some momentum to the downside, is what I would be targeting. So let's go down into the H4 and see what structure looks like. You can see that we've been quite rangy for the past while, just from this high and these lows. You see prices just ranging from one side, and we're stuck in the middle of this range. So if we do come up, say sweep some highs, that would give me an opportunity to look for some selling opportunities. Other than that, we do have a little bit of a support, so it's a little bit of a wedge, nothing much. So I am more tended to look for trades to the downside. So we have support here, support here. If we can break structure, maybe implement some Monday's range and look for more selling that way, and keep it simple. So yeah, more downside that I'd be looking for unless we do get that weekly close, like I say, above that level mentioned. So let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Let's go out to the weekly time frame. It's a very similar story. We have some higher time frame support here, support and resistance. So if you're looking for some buying opportunities, I'd wait for a weekly close above here and then look for some bullish price action on the lower time frames. But at the moment, we are stuck consolidating inside this wedge, and breakout either side is what I'm waiting for, preferring shorts. So we have support here, support here, support here, and if we can break that, stay below this support and look for some selling opportunities, take out this low and maybe down here at 1700. So with that said, I'll actually go and take a look at a Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and just to see which one looks the strongest or the weakest out of the pair, and that way that'll give us a guide on which one we want to be shorting or which one we'd prefer to short. So looking at the weekly time frame, we have support, 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 and we've just tested this major structural level, resistance and resistance up here. So it's not really a confirmed low at the moment. We have swept this low. If we do break structure on the higher time frame, then it would look like Ethereum would be stronger and prefer Bitcoin shorts then overall against the dollar. But if we fail at this bounce and break below this trend line and stay below this support, then we could look for some selling opportunities here, and Ethereum shorts would be preferred. So that's just a quick look at the crypto market and just looking for a little bit of confluence there. I'm looking for more downside until we get some bullish behavior. I still think there's more downside to come. So I'll have an FX review out tomorrow, and yeah, any questions you can let me know, and also love to hear your thoughts on the market.